Good morning and welcome to a Kooky Kit corner of YouTube. Oh, how many more Ks can I fit into this? I'm just having a giggle. Wow, you guys are super quick, super quick. You managed to snag yourselves one of these in a record time. Literally just checked on my Etsy store, and there is one left, one single solitary kit left to go. These are all on my desk now, ready to be packed and sent out to the people who've got them. But I have had a few messages from people who are really sad that they missed out on them. And so I'm not going to make any more of these. These are limited edition. There's 6 of each, and that was it. When they were gone, they were gone. But I have got some other sets that I'll be putting together. They will be different from these. There will be some elements of these because obviously I have fabrics in different colours, and I've still got some bits left of the ones that were in these, but I don't have everything that was in these. And so there will be a new set of 6 of 5 ready sometime next week. So if you missed out on these sets, I'm going to put together another 5 different sets. They will be in different colorways. I might not have a bracelet sample to show you for each one, but they will be in the shop this week. At the end of this coming week, should I say? I can't do it by tomorrow, sorry. But I will get some put together so that people who want to have a go will still have a chance to do that. And I had a few suggestions of different things that people would like. So I know there's somebody who wants some blues and denims. Happy to do that. I can get a kit together for that. Yeah, I'll try and do some more greeny ones. I know I had somebody who really wanted one of the green ones and missed out on it. So I did say I will be putting something together, but it won't be this kit. It won't be this kit. It will be a similar kit, but it will not be that one because obviously, as I said, I've got a certain amount of fabrics, and when they're gone, and I can't replicate them. But yeah, thank you so much, and I'm so happy that you are enjoying the kits, and I'm super happy that everybody is really enjoying their stitching. If you want to have a little look at one of, I said, the aqua ones being made, don't forget to pop over to Annie Claxton's channel. It's Arty Farty Annie. I will leave a link down below, and she has gone through this, and she's also done her finish up part of that as well, so I'll link that also down below. Check out on my bracelet the 2 videos I've got, the slow stitching, the cuff bracelet tutorials, which go along with the kits. Those 2 tutorials will go along with all the bracelet kits I send out. So it will still be the same process. You'll just have different amounts of fabric, different things to play with. And I will get some of those in for next Friday. So I'm going to say this now. Next Friday, there will be another 30 kits ready to go. I'm going to try to think of a time that I can get them uploaded for you so that everybody who wants one is there ready. So I'm going to say 12 noon. No. 2 in the afternoon. So like 1400 hours GMT time. I will be uploading them into the shop for Friday. And so hopefully anybody who missed out will be able to snag one of the new kits that I'll be putting out next Friday. That's hopefully gone away to appease some of the people who were really sad that they missed out. And I do apologise. They put in, and I didn't expect them to go as quickly as they did, but they did. And thank you all so much for supporting. Everything that you do, everything that you pay back to me or give me in payment will go towards making this a better channel, because I'm going to use that to get more fabric. So I can make things, and then I can show you things, and that all helps in the process. Anyway, that's enough of me blathering on about kits and you looking at the kits. It's been kind of a stagnant pile of kits, but they're not stagnant. They're full of potential. Full of potential. Anyway, I will see you very soon. This is a very quick video, just a quick extra, just to update you on the process. I will see you very soon. Keep stitching and have a lovely week. Bye for now.